few things to save your body working in this very brutal industry of, you know, it's not super brutal. Anyway, you get the point. It's rough on your body. Easy little gardening pad. You can get it from Tractor Supply for 10 bucks. It's nice and cushy. You can kneel on it when you have to like set the lift, stuff like that. Number 2 on my list of things to help save your body. So working height. It's a thing that you want to do to help save your back, so you're not doing this. I like to set the car up to where it's convenient. I can bend at the waist instead of at the back, where you're bending at the waist and the back to get down low enough. You can just bend at the waist and be like, huh. Try and keep your back as straight as possible. Also, a conscious effort to keep your back straight is a very important thing. Where is that coming from? Whatever it is, smells delicious. And I'm getting hungry. So that's number 2. Bring the car up to a work height. Have a friend that has been working on cars for a long time, and he's always had a short lift, and he always had to work in odd positions, and his back's ruined from that. So, and he's like 45, 46, something like that. So just be mindful of it. Don't play around with this. You only get one. You only get one. It's helpful, and also lifting the car high enough, or if you can't pick it up high enough, learn how to deal with it without slouching or doing this. I do that all the time, but then there are some days that I'm trying to be mindful of it and do, you know, that. Yeah, so try not to slouch. Anyway, number 3, 4, wherever we're at, use the right tool. Don't be using this when you need to use this. You're just gonna hurt yourself. That's like, I don't know how else to put that. Like, get the right tool for the job. If you need lots of leverage, get it. Get a cheater bar, get whatever. Also save your tools and don't try and use a 6-foot cheater bar on a tiny ratchet. Get something that can handle it. Work on cars? Gloves. Gloves are great. Gloves are awesome. I don't wear them all the time. I wear them when I think about it. And if I plan to do something really nasty, like working with brake fluid, oil, gear oil, whatever, if I think of it at the time, I'll put on gloves. Sometimes I'll start and I'll get my hands all dirty, then I'll go wash them and then put on gloves. Doesn't matter, as long as you got something. Preferably not gloves that are gonna let stuff soak. I like the nitrile gloves or nitrile, or however the heck you say it. I don't know, don't care. I know that they do tend to tear a lot, but I can also reuse them pretty often. And also they are provided by the shop, so I get to use as many as I want. Although I try to be frugal, so, you know, don't go crazy. Other than that, of course, wear your eye protection and stuff like that, which I don't do hardly ever unless I'm grinding or something that requires you to be shielded. However, you know, that did bite me in the ass before. I was just taking clips off of the car. And, off a Honda. Squeezing it with the little squeeze pliers and just gonna pull it down so it'd pull and then pull it out, and it freaking shattered and shot a piece right in my eye. Had to go to the doctor and they had to take a needle and stick it in my eye and flick it out. Wasn't a big problem, but I learned to close my eyes. Anyway, other than that, I would really say exercise. Be mindful of your posture. I don't want to look like some of the old mechanics that I see that are just like this all the time. You see them walking around. You can tell the older ones. Be mindful of your posture. Exercise would be good, back exercises, because you do a lot of bending, you do a lot of leaning over, you do a lot of that stuff. So don't take your body for granted. You only get one. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or have any suggestions of yourself that you do to take care of your body while you're working on cars, leave them down in the comments below. Other than that, some of our things in our other videos are, well, we're not going to have to do the subframe now, so hooray, and this is done. I'm just warming it up now. So thank you all for joining me. I hope this has been fantastic, and I hope you've enjoyed the videos. Leave a comment or, you know, leave some general love so that way I know that you're enjoying these and I should keep making them. It's very inspirational. Thank you, and have a lovely, beautiful rest of your day. So for your Free Bit Friday on a Monday, you want to get your bottle off without making a big mess. Give her a squeeze, give her a plug, let go of the hose, boop. The coolant went down. Hooray! No issues. And you just unload it into the overflow. I like stealing all of Rotex's ideas. They're perfect. 2012 VW Tiguan, 2-liter turbo, doing an oil change and tire rotation. And this is why bringing it to somebody who has any idea what they're looking at knows that you're going to need a water pump. So, I don't know how tightly I can fit you guys up here. But this is an extremely common repair. You can see it down there. Usually it's an oil leak that gets it to start leaking, and they've been putting green in it, and it's getting ruined. This is what it is, so you have to write it down on the ticket. Tell them we're going to need a water pump. So, hey. I don't understand why people can't put in the correct coolant, but they always just put in green. Anyway.